Most people think that I am recovering, but actually, I am not recovering, I am upgrading myself. Hello, friends, namaste. Welcome back to my new series, Surgery to Success. I hope you all are good like me. Right now, I am building 5 things at once. The first thing that I am working for, that is proper recovery. I am doing some physio exercises that suggested by doctors. I am working for emotional control like pranayam, meditation, for calm mind, and also some creative energy like learning music, writing, and so many things. And the last, consistently I am creating a content as well. So if you are watching this content, whatever you are going through with any situation, you are not breaking, you are becoming. Thank you. See you